Do you want to make a professional walk cycle, but you genuinely don't know how to? Then I will show you in this video. Now, first of all, we will need a seat. Any seat works. Then grab a block and put a rotating servo on it. You could use mechanical joints, doesn't really matter. Now we're gonna make the legs. For the knees, we're going to use mechanical joints. And for the feet as well. Now we're gonna need some suspension to make it smooth and work like you want it to. Now, you can use the normal one. Okay, now we need to get our angles right. So the hips should have green going upwards. So this should be minus speed to reverse it. Put the angle at 90 so it matches the mechanical joints and get rid of the keybinds. Get rid of the keybinds on those two. This one should be green downwards or that way. Make sure it's on all sides. And for the foot, they should be upwards, just like the hip. Now, put strength at 30 on all of them. Now, our mech is gonna need to be able to stand. So I will make an own stabilization system. Now get 2 gyros, make sure they're placed like this. Put the strength at 10, remove the keybinds. Go to the gadgets and get angle sensors, 2 of them. They should be rotated. One should be like, they should be like one of the gyros both. Like, so they two, them match and these two match. Now, get an arithmetic gate. Put it on multiply and put it at something like 4. You can increase this number if you need to later. Put these on maximum width and put the output mode to normalized. Connect this one to this one and this one to gyro. Angle sensors to arithmetic. Now, okay. So I think both of ours are wrong, so put on one. Okay. So yes, now it stands. We're gonna need some turning to so remove this block and put a gyro. Make sure that they are correct. Put the strength to something like 7. Now we have turning. Now for this walk cycle, we're not gonna need a stance. You could put a stance on it, just make sure that the knee is double the output value of the hip and foot. The hip and foot should be the same value, and then the knee should be double if you're going to use a stance. I'm not gonna make one. So let's get into the system. So this is an accumulator system. So get out our accumulator. Now color this one red. This is going to be our upwards motion. The upwards motion is to take a new step. The downwards motion is to push you forward. Now put the minimum at 0, maximum at 1, scale at 4. Duplicate it, make it green, or any other color, doesn't matter, and put this at 2.5. This is gonna be our downwards motion. Now, accumulators, they are like toggle modes, so you're gonna need a reset gate, which is a multiply gate with minus and then the number of numbers in your accumulator. For ours, it's 0 to 1, so we will only need 1. It's one step. Color this one red and this one green, so we know which one this one. And we are gonna connect them to each other, so they reset. Now let's make our inputs. Put it at W. We can make all these 0.5 and take 1 and remove the delay. Now we can do this one red, this one green. Connect this one to the accumulator and this one to the accumulator too. Now you can see they're going up and down. Now we will need our output values. We can make this on the lower part of the leg. So for this, get some XOR gates. We can start for the knee, which we will only need one gate, which you can put at 0.8. Now, the downwards motion is going to be a minus output. The upwards motion is going to be a plus output. So since this one is plus and our red accumulator is upwards motion, we should put it at that and connect it to the knee. Get two gates. Put one of them at 0.5 and one at minus 0.4. The 0.4 is the downwards motion, so it should be the green accumulator. This one is the upwards motion, so red accumulator. Connect both to the rotating servo. If you want, you can paint these the same colors as your accumulators. I can do it so it just makes oh my god, it just makes it easier. This one's up. Now you can copy these two, put them at just like this. No, they're not connected anyway. Put them at the foot. Put one of them at 0.65 and one at 0.25. Same here, green to green, red to red. Now we got one leg. Let's copy it over. Copy the whole system over. Now the tricky thing about copying stuff is, oh no, they're not connected. Okay, so input to accumulator, accumulator to reset, reset to accumulator. And then red to red to red, green to green. Now for this, to make our, okay, I can show you. So you can see both of our legs does the exact same motion, same time. So we will need to put delay on the one that doesn't have delay on the input, and remove the delay on one of them. Now we have something. These I think should be higher, 0.6 maybe. Yes. Maybe even higher, honestly. 0.7. Okay, that's too high. Now this is too. Now, the thing about this is it's all about customizing it so you get what you want. Something I forgot to put is for most of my legs I use friction pad to give you some grip on your legs. Okay, honestly I think that works. Now, something that I always use to make my movement smooth is some gyros on the legs. Put them at strength of 4 and take away all the keybinds. Now, gyros on the legs provides dampening, and dampening is a good thing. Can move this down. Actually, this is still too high. Okay, now. Now, something I usually do when I have accumulators is put the speed at max, since you can change that speed anyway. So you can, if you want this to be really fast, you can put it at 15. Now you see our upwards motion is quite fast. And it does provide it so that the downwards motion becomes faster too, since it still recharges when it goes back down. And yeah. Want it to be just a little faster. You can make the downwards motion slower. Yeah, that's the tutorial basically. I hope this could be some help to you, and if there's any problems you have, then please put them in the comments and I can help you. Also join the Discord server. It's in my bio. There I can help you easier and stuff like that. I will host, when I get enough members, I will also host like some game nights. No, not game nights. Oh my god, my brain is not functioning right now. Like fights, boss battles, mech fights, building shells, yeah, servers.